Very quick. Just
తెచ్చుకో.
Good morning, Sai.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, Pavan Kumar, Sai, Hem Harini. Someone named Khan, Deepika, Ravi.
What are you reading?
Let's wait for 2 minutes, children. Our students may join, our classmates may join. Let's wait for only 2 minutes.
ఇది చూడేందా అరిని నాయరాది
कार्तिक गोयनका के बारे में कुछ पता
Students,
चला
if you have any doubt, you can ask me.
कार्तिक गोयनका लापता है। प्लीज मुझे बताइए, कल शाम के बाद से किसी की बात हुई थी कार्तिक से?
Keep your TV volume mute, children.
అప్పుడు ఆయన వచ్చినాడా
Keep your TV volume gets muted. Shravani,
yes, ma'am.
this is SANKALP through Shravani, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What about your friend Shravani?
Yes, ma'am.
Ask Janu to come and join. What happened for Janu? Hitendra?
I don't know, ma'am. They are not joining to class.
Are there any playing games or what?
Ask
Ask them to call me by afternoon. I'll talk to them.
Yes, ma'am.
అవును మమ్మీ కొట్లాడింది ఎప్పుడో
Talking in Telugu about their mom.
ఆయన టీ తాగేటప్పుడు
Harshvardhan, good morning. Sandeep, Ravi.
తగ్గించింటే
Good morning, my dear. Stop talking, children. Okay, without any delay, let's begin our class today. Today is the topic science. Subject is science, children. For a week, 3 days we are discussing science, and coming 3 days we are discussing social. So you all know that today's subject is science, and we have completed till the dispersion topic. On that day we have discussed it up to the dispersion. Dispersion has been completed, right? Okay. So after the dispersion, we have already went through the self-assessment exam. Pavan Kumar Reddy, please sit at one place and listen the class. Why are you roaming? Are you doing any kind of a home tour or what? Yashwant, turn on your video. Harshavardhan, you also turn on your video. Hema Harini, Shravani, please turn on your videos, children. Ravi, Sandeep, I ask every children to turn on the video, but mute your audios. So after till now, Farid, is there any kind of joke is happening here or what? Okay, till the topic of discussion we have completed, children, and we went through a self-assessment exam. We conducted it yesterday. Hope all did it very well, because those are all choose the multiple choice questions. Choose the correct answer from your multiple choice. So everyone might have done good, I think so. Right. And we have sent a key. We have sent a key by evening. Hope you verified it. Okay. Now, after the completion of seed dispersal, at the starting page, you can see that the seed is dispersed from 3 ways. Seeds from different parts of plants and from spores. We have just sawn and covered the topic from seeds in the form of a seed dispersal. We saw that with the help of wind, water, humans and explosion, seeds will disperse and they'll get germinated. And we covered what is the process of germination also. Coming to the next page, reproduction in plants through vegetative parts. With the help of seed, they will grow again, and rather than seeds, with some parts of the plants also they will grow. Let's see how they'll grow. Most plants grow from seeds, but there are some plants which grow from stems, leaves and roots. Most of the plants, children, if it goes 100%, 90% of the plants will grow from seeds only. But in few cases, rather than seeds, we can use the stem, root or something else to grow the plant. Amreen, this is not a break time, darling. The time is already 10:10. So growing plants from stem. Okay, in this topic we'll cover stem, roots and leaves. Okay, growing from stem. How will grow a plant from stem? Plants like hibiscus and sugarcane are grown from stem cutting. Okay, here plants like rose, hibiscus and sugarcane are grown from stem cutting.
What comes next? And finally, the last one. We call the SANKALP sequence. When you
Grown from stem cuttings.
Everyone, hi. Hi, friends.
Okay, children, sorry for the inconvenience, just a couple of minutes for the delay. Someone named Pondu, I don't know his real name, but the name is too nice. Pondu, welcome to the class. Ravens, Harini is ready with the pen. Very good, my dears. Dhananjay, new joinings are also there in the class. It's nice to have a new children. Okay, how it is
Yes,
done
madam.
with the help of a stem. Please observe, my dears. Okay, see, rose hibiscus. Hibiscus is nothing but mandaram. You can see at your houses. Your elders will plant the plants, no, the hibiscus and rose. With the help of a stem also they can grow. Our parents sometimes they'll go for a walk and they'll pluck some stems and they'll bring. Yes, no, they'll sow in the soil and they will grow. With the help of stems also, rose, hibiscus and sugar cane. Sugar cane is a well-known for you, right? Cherokee are grown from stem cutting, children. See, onion, potato and ginger are underground stems. These are, we can see the stems of them like rose, hibiscus, sugar cane. We can see the stems. But coming to onion, potato and ginger. Ginger, what is ginger, children? Your grade 5, you know ginger. Can you text me? You can text me in the chat. What is a ginger? I'm expecting all the students to text me what is ginger. In Telugu, you can tell it in Telugu. No one till now? Why? Okay, let me tell it is alum. Alum is nothing but ginger, children. These are small buds on a potato and ginger were growing into new plants. Money plant and sugarcane grow into new plant if a stem cut is planted in the soil. See, children, through the diagrams here, stem cutting can be done like this. What's happening with Syed Amreen? With the process of stem cutting, here like this, see, a slant cut is made on the stem. We should not cut as we like, children. It is better. It gives a better result when we cut the stem into slantly. The cut stem is planted in soil. Okay, where we cut it, the stem should be planted in soil. After some time, new leaves grow from the stem. After a few days, when we pour some water and in the presence of sunlight, it prepares its own food and it started leafing. It started leafing and roots also start from the bottom side. This is the process how a stem cutting usually takes, children. But coming to the underground stems, these are underground stems, onion, potato, ginger and the underground stems, they'll have a small buds. An onion will have a small hair. Potato, if you leave potato for so many times in the house, you can see small buds are coming outside. Those will germinate, those will come into leaflets and roots, children. Like this, by the stem cutting, we can reproduce plants. Coming to the part of roots. Sweet potato grows into new plants from their roots. Buds appear on the roots of a sweet potato. These buds then grow into new plants. Carrot and turnip can also be grown from their roots. See, children, growing from roots. Which plants will grow from roots? Means sweet potato will grow from roots as well as carrot and turnip. Turnip is a type of a carrot only, children. It will also can be produced with the help of roots. Okay, children, sweet potatoes, turnips. Turnips are the vegetables that look alike onions, but they are not onions, children. They look alike onions, but they grow with the help of roots only. On the roots only they'll form buds and they will be produced into new one. And growing from the leaves. Okay, let's see what grow from the leaves. Leaves of bryophyllum. Spell after me, children, if the spelling is tough for you. Bryophyllum. Bryophyllum. Bagonal. Elephant ear. Grows buds along the edges. These buds grow into new plants when leaf falls on the ground and grow under suitable conditions of soil, water, and warmth. These grow from a leaf, children. A bryophyllum leaf, it consists of all the buds. When the leaf is ripened and it fall down on soil, then those buds are terminated into new plants in a suitable condition. For every plant growth, it is a common thing, children, you can observe for a suitable condition. If any question may ask you, they used to write in your own words, every plant should be grown under a suitable condition. దేనికైనా కూడా మీరు దది రాయొచ్చు. Every plant will grow under suitable condition. In every point you can add it. It will add one sentence for you. Every plant needs a suitable conditions to grow, like soil, water, and warmth. Harshavardhan. Okay, till now we know about plants which grow from stem. Now it's coming to plants grow from spores. Some plants do not bear seeds and flowers. Some plants won't have seeds and both flowers also. Then how they'll grow? They reproduce through special structures called spores. They reproduce through special structures called as spores. Ferns, mushrooms, and some fungi have a spores underside of the leaves. These spores fall on the grounds and grow into new plants. See, children, as few, these are called spores. These are only the seeds. These are not seeds, but these are called as spores. They do not have seed structures. They don't have a leaf. They don't have a perfect stem, and they don't have a flowers. So these structures will have spores at the bottom side, and when these spores fall down on the ground, then from that new plants will occur. Here also you can add the same sentence. They need suitable conditions to grow, like soil, water, and warmth. Examples of growing plants from spores are mushrooms and fungi. I'll tell you the examples once again, children. Mostly examples will be asked. Growing plants from stems. Plants like rose, hibiscus, and sugarcane. The underground stems. Stems are also categorized into two. These are upper stems, these are underground stems. Onion, potato, and ginger are underground stems. And coming to plants growing from roots, there are three plants, children: potatoes, carrots, and turnips. Turnips are nothing, just look like an onion, but they are not onion. Plants growing from leaves, bryophyllum. This is the word, children, you have to remember. This will be coming in examples, or choose the multiple answers or fill in the blanks they may ask. Bryophyllum. Next, growing plants from spores, mushroom and some fungi. Mushrooms and some fungi. Okay, coming to the agriculture. Agriculture. Plants also not only growing by plantation agriculture is a massive growth. Massive means huge number of plants will be grown. Yes, no? If it is in our house, what we'll do? We'll only plant one rose flower plant or one carrot plant at least. It is sufficient for our house. But coming to agriculture children, what they'll do? They'll take acres of lands. They'll take acres of lands and they'll grow only specific crops according to the suitable conditions of soil, weather, warmth, water and everything. The farmers, the backbone of our India, they'll grow the crops. Okay, let's see how the agriculture will happen. The practice of growing plants on a large scale for food or other purposes is called an agriculture. Growing plants on a large scale means very huge number. We can't count it in hands. We can't count it on fingers. Like that, a huge number of plants growing is called an agriculture, children. It is maybe the purpose to serve food or any other commercial purposes like the wheat, paddy, corn. These are all comes under food crops. Millet, cereals, pulses, these comes under food crops. Yes or no? These comes under food crops. And coming to the cotton, like that, they comes under commercial crops. They are not food crops, but they also uses for other purposes. Here, the large amount of grains, fruits, vegetables grown by a farmer in a particular season, in a particular place is called a crop. Here, there are two definitions. Children, make a note of them. Who have the textbooks, please underline it. The textbook, you have to take the textbooks, children. The second definition of a crop. What is crop? Large amount of grains, fruits and vegetables grown by a farmer in a particular season, in a particular place. It's called a crop. The large amount of grains, fruits and vegetables grown by a farmer in a particular season, in a particular place is called a crop, children. Shravani is asking, there is a particular activities. Of course, children, there are activities, but it may be in the school, we can make them to happen. Even though few activities I'll ask you to take it. Last week I asked you to grow, I think so, right? Take 3 bowls and grow the germination. The germination experiment I asked, this one. Activity 1 I asked you to do. I don't know how many members did it and how many members found it. I need reply from all whether you have performed this activity or not. And sorry students to perform the other activities because it is a rainy season and outside the weather is really not good and conditions are also not good. That's why I'm not asking you to go and do all these things, that it is the pandemic situation is running out. So that's why I'm not just telling you the activity to do. Okay, next, we have known about crop. Okay, so let's see the types of crops we go. Different crops require different kinds of soil, climate and amount of water to grow. There are various conditions, children. Soils are of different types, climate is different, and the water amount, all will not get required amount of water. So these 3 conditions are required and these are the basic conditions to choose a crop or to select a crop. If we want to grow different crops, you would like to grow some dragon fruit, some strawberries, everything is a crop, but we can't grow it here. Why? Because they need a climate and they need soil. They need the requirement amount of water. So climate doesn't suit here. The strawberries only grow in a very cool climate. That's why we can't grow strawberries here. In a cool climate areas we can grow. Based upon these three conditions, we have to select the crop which we can grow. According to those three, those three is nothing but soil, climate, and water. See children, here they have given according to the season, kind of soil, water they needed. In a winter season, in a sandy soil, the soil in a winter season, in a sandy soil with less amount of water. These three are the parameters they have given. In these three, children, Sai used to say something. Please text me, Sai. There will be a different disturbance for all children. That's why I have unmuted you. You can text me. You can text me, Sai, if you need. Go for more option. There you'll find a chat and you can text me. Okay, these three are the parameters given here, children. Winter with a sandy soil. Loose soil is nothing but a sandy soil and with less water. If these three parameters are there, we can grow wheat, mustard and gram. Mustard is nothing but avalu. Avalu is called as mustard, children, and grams like Bengal gram. These are all grams like Minapappu, Senagapappu. These are all called as grams, children. And coming into the summer season with the sandy soil, in the same sandy soil and with less water, he is asking to show page number 143. I hope so. You have to write the definition, Sai, but I'll keep a pic of it, okay? I'll keep a picture of it. The time is running. I'll keep a picture of it. In the summer with a sandy soil with less water, jowar, bajra and maize. These are the crops can be grown in these conditions, children. And rice. When our rice is grown means in the summer season, very wet clay. It should not be like sandy soil or loose soil. It should be wet clay. Needs lots of water. Even the clay is wet, even the soil is very wet. It needs a very large amount of water to grow. Okay, children, let's continue the class by tomorrow. I'll keep the definitions for you.